But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Berjumpa lagi bersama gue Official Smart Tutorial. Sudah lama ya gue nggak membuat tutorial. Jadi kali ini gue akan membuat tutorial tentang cara instalasi Windows dari awal. Jadi pertama-tama gue akan upload video bagaimana membuat bootable Windows melalui USB dengan Rufus ya. Oke, ikuti tutorialnya seperti ini. Check it out. Caranya cukup gampang, kalian tinggal masukkan browser, ketikkan google.com, lalu masukkan ketikan Rufus, lalu enter, lalu klik, lalu kalian pilih yang Rufus 4.1.exe yang standar saja. Setelah di-download, lalu ketikkan open, lalu klik yes. Lalu jika kalian mau ketikkan no saja. Lalu di sini kita klik select, kita pilih saja yang mau diinstal, yaitu kita pilih OS. Ini ya juga ya, lalu pilih ISO Windows 11, kita pilih ini, lalu standar Windows installer GPT, kita klik start. Nah, di sini gua akan jelaskan jika komputer kalian di bawah minimum requirement dari Windows 11, kalian checklist 2 ini ya, karena ini akan jika kalian bisa menginstal Windows 11 di bawah requirement Windows 11. Tapi jika kalian komputer atau laptopnya sudah memenuhi syarat dari instalasi Windows 11, yaitu 8 GB dan RAM, dan mempunyai security TPM 2.0, kalian hilangkan seperti ini, lalu klik OK. Dan kalau kalian di bawah minimum, kalian bisa checklist 2 ini, lalu klik OK. Jadi sekarang karena laptop gua sudah memenuhi syarat dari Windows 11, jadi kita OK dan klik OK lagi. Kita tunggu sampai Rufus ini sudah membuat bootable untuk instalasi Windows ya.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Oke, dan seperti ini berarti Windows kalian sudah ready dan bootable kalian sudah ready dan siap menginstal Windows 11. Oke, sekian dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai berjumpa kembali di official Smart Tutorial.